I'm running out of eyeliner, so we'll see if it works. I don't have space, so the mouth is really connected to the legs. Wow, I probably need to dry it here where I have much more space, but oh, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna add her pigtails now. Yeah, like 2 balls. You see, my eyeliner is not working. It's just hard to use. I didn't really like that part, but okay, I'm just gonna do the same thing in the other eye. And the tinta no sale. I used this one, and this one came more pigmented, but it was hard to draw because this is skinny and wobbly as opposed to this one. So this one's small and big. It's not even at all. I don't know if I should leave it like that. Okay guys, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna use the yellow shadow from the Honey palette to cover all the drawing. Pelitos de elote. Aquí. Pelito. Aquí. There, las manitas. Carita. Todo. I forgot what else was the other. Let me look at the picture again. So everything's yellow except the little bowl, which is red. Salí de la línea, pero okay, I'm gonna use the red shadow. after that, I'm just gonna put it in my waterline as well. I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna do this side and probably eat, and then maybe draw a little miss here. I don't know what I'm gonna do for this side. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna put mascara and lashes. I don't know which lashes, so I'm just using these. Are from Lash. They are called Miel. I do have a discount code. If you want, you don't have to. And yeah, where's my lash glue? Oh, the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe vera. Okay, I'm gonna put these on right now because a girl's hungry. I'm trying to hurry up. Which Little Miss are y'all? Little Miss lips to wear lashes, lips to wear makeup, lips to eat lips. I forgot, there's like a bunch of ones, funny ones, inappropriate ones. I know they're funny. It's a cool trend. Se me pegó mal. Okay, done. I'm gonna come back later. Bye. So I did a TikTok talking about this that just happened a minute a while ago, and so I'm gonna try and fix my brow. So y'all better follow me on TikTok, please. Anyways, so I was eating, I was sweating, I wiped my brow, and that's how it happened. Yeah, so I'm gonna fix it right now. Okay, I'm gonna try to draw a little mist backwards. I have the paper here. Oops, I think. I hope I did it right. Okay, I think I'm done with my look. Okay, bye.